Okay, for this one, if we did 32 times 6, that would give us 192. If you think about it, get from 32 to 3.2, you're going to have to divide everything by 10, or your answer by 10 anyway. So if we divide 192 by 10, we get 19.2. So that works out quite nicely. But we could check that with a very rough estimate. 3 6s are 18. So to get that 192 to look like 18, we'd put the decimal place between the 9 and the 2. Another alternate way to think about it, which is a bit of a cheat, is just count how many numbers are after the point in the question. So we've got our 192, which is here. There's only one number after the point, so that's why we put the decimal place here. It's a bit of a cheat method. If we do the same with 0.3 times 0.2, if we did 3 times 2, we get 6. But here we've got two numbers after the point, one here, one here. That makes two numbers. So we need 2 digits after the point, so we need to make it 0.06. Again, that's a bit of a cheat. If we go back to 3 times 2, we'd have to divide 3 by 10 to get 0.3, and we'd have to divide 2 by 10 to get 0.2. Now that's in effect divided by 10 again, and so that, if we look at a 6.0, we have to move that 6 2 places, which is why it's also 0.06. I'll be quite honest, I do in my head that first technique, but then it's up to you. Try column 2. Column 2. So we might have to do 78 times 7 to begin with. 7 8 is 56. 7 7 is 49. So 546. We've got one number after the point, so I'm going to call that 54.6. Quick check. This is roughly 8. This is roughly 7. 8 7 is 56. That seems about right to me. 0.5 times 0.4. Well, 4 times 5 is 20. I've got two numbers after the point, 0.20 or 0.2. Press pause, try column 3. Column 3, 94 times 6. 6 4s are 24. 9 6 is a 54. That's 56. We've got one number after the point, 56.4. Seems about right because 6 times 10 is 60. And 0.2 times 0.1, well, 2 times 1 is 2. Two numbers after the point, 0.02.